In this video I will show you how to create an LLC in the USA from Pakistan. So the tool I recommend to do this is called Doola. Doola lets you start your US business from anywhere and keep it 100% compliant, which is exactly what we want. So they let you start your US LLC from anywhere, including Pakistan. So I'll show you exactly how to use it. You can use the affiliate link down in the description to take you to Doola.com, or you can search for Doola.com yourself and get to this page. So now once you are inside of the Doola website, what you can do is go to Formation right here. And then when we scroll down a bit, you will see it's set to LLC, and that's exactly what we want. And then when you scroll a bit further down, you will see the pricing packages. So click on compare packages. So here you can see they have two packages, the starter package and the total compliance package. And you can see that this one right here costs $300 per month or $2,000 per year. But the starter package only costs $297 per year, which is pretty cheap. So this gets you the formation and EIN filing, so that's the LLC formation, the RA service operating agreement, and regular compliance reminders. Now you also need to pay the state fee, and that's not included in here, but that's a one-time fee. Now in the total compliance package you get formation with expedited processing, so it's faster. You get annual state filings, you get IRS tax filings, a dedicated account manager, and a free CPA consultation. Now for me this is very important, so I am going to pick the total compliance package at $2,000 per year. So that's about $170 per month. Now when we scroll down you can see what's included. So the formation filings, that's the LLC formation, is included in both starter and total compliance, and so is the EIN. Now as you can see, if you want the annual state filings, in the starter plan you need to pay an extra $200 per year, and for the CPA consultation you need to pay $300 per hour, and here you can get one free consultation. For the IRS tax filings you need to pay $1,200 per year, for the bookkeeping software you need to pay $300 per year, and for a dedicated account manager, which is very useful and will save you a lot of time and headaches, $600 per year. And that's all included in the total compliance package, so for me this is worth it. So either click on formation right here or click on total compliance. I'm going to click total compliance. So now here go ahead and click on get started. Now you can get a free business consultation, but when you scroll down a bit you can just get started right now with setting up your LLC. So click I'm ready to get started. So then after you click I'm ready to get started, you need to fill in what you want to name your LLC, you need to pick a state, and if you pick the full compliance package you will also get access to Doola Books, which is a stress-free bookkeeping software for busy founders. You will also have worry-free tax filing, and you will get everything you need to launch your e-commerce company if you haven't launched it yet. So you can also get the free consultation, and in that free consultation they will give you some recommendations of what you need to do, and you can just go ahead and purchase your package. And this consultation is of course completely free. And they tell you, am I forming in the right state? What is the best business bank account? How do I avoid fines from the IRS? That's all types of questions that you can ask. So it's a virtual one-on-one session with an experienced formation and compliance specialist. And this can help you stay 100% compliant and avoid IRS fines, which will cost you more than $2,000 per year in the worst case. So just enter your email address and get the free consultation, or get started setting up your LLC right now. Then just go ahead and pay for it, so that's either $2,000 per year or $297 per year, depending on what level of help you need and if you want to stay fully compliant. So using this tool called Doola, you can create your USA LLC from Pakistan, and they will help you take care of all of your taxes and the entire setting up process for just $170 per month, which in my opinion is a great deal. So again, you can use the link in the description that will take you to Doola. And as you can see, Doola scores great on Trustpilot with 4.6 star reviews out of 1386. And as you can see, all of the reviews say this person was very helpful. For example, I was supported by Parshwa for everything around Doola. It's so comforting when you have someone patient and willing to help, answer questions at each step. So they were guided throughout and could ask endless questions. So that's why the $2,000 per year package is so helpful. They basically help you with every single step of the process. And as you can see, this person is from Vietnam, this person is from Russia, This person is from Bulgaria, so you can do this from pretty much every location, and this one right here is from the Philippines, and everyone loves their service, and these people that say this person was very helpful all got the $2,000 per year package, and they are the most happy, so I do recommend getting that one. And again, you can use the link in the description to sign up and set up your LLC in the USA from Pakistan. So that's how to create an LLC in the USA from Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.